Welcome to Tablereserve. We're excited to help you manage your restaurant bookings. This video will walk you through the first step, creating your account on our sign-up page. Here's the main sign-up page. On the left, you have the sign-up form, and on the right, you'll see some of the great benefits of joining Tablereserve. Let's start with the form. At the top, you'll see the title, Create Your Restaurant Account. If you already have an account, you can just click the login link right below it. Notice this blue information box. It lets you know this is step 1 of 2. In this step, you'll enter your basic details. You'll set your password after you verify your email address. There are just 3 things you need to fill out. First, your restaurant name. You'll see a store icon inside this field. This is a required field, so be sure to enter your restaurant's public name here. Second, your email address. This is also a required field. Double check that it's correct, as we'll be sending a verification link to this address. Finally, you must agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. You can click on these links to read them in full. Once you're ready, check the box. This is also required to create an account. As you're filling that out, take a look at the panel on the right. When you join Tablereserve, you're getting a powerful and easy-to-use platform to manage your bookings. We want you to be confident in your choice, which is why every new account starts with a 14-day free trial, with no credit card required. Setup is quick, so you can be up and running in minutes, and you get unlimited bookings during your entire trial. Once all your information is in, click the Continue button. You'll see the button text change to Sending Verification Email while the system creates your account. If there's an issue, for instance, if you forget a required field, or if the email is already in use, a red error box will appear near the top. It will give you a clear message explaining what needs to be fixed. If everything looks good, a success message will pop up, letting you know the verification email sent. The page will then automatically navigate you to our email confirmation screen, which will prompt you to check your inbox. You'll see a large mail icon, the header Check Your Email, and a confirmation that we've sent a verification link to your email. The email address you just signed up with will be displayed right here so you can be sure it's correct. This blue box lets you know you're almost there. To activate your account and get to your dashboard, you just need to click the verification link in the email we sent you. Now, what if you can't find the email? Don't worry. This yellow box has a helpful tip. Can't find the email? Check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, automated emails can get filtered by mistake. If you've checked your spam and it's still not there, you can use this button to resend verification email. When you click it, the button text will change to Sending while it processes. After a moment, a green success message will appear to let you know a new email is on its way. If there's an error for any reason, a red message box will appear explaining the problem. Once you are verified, or if you accidentally landed on this page after you've already verified, you can just click the Already Verified login link to go straight to the login page. And, as always, if you run into any trouble at all, you can find our contact support link right at the bottom of the page. Login. Whether you're coming back or logging in for the first time after verifying your email, this is your gateway to your dashboard. Here's the login page. On the left is the secure login form, and on the right, a welcome message. At the top, you'll see the header, Log in to your restaurant account. If you've landed here by mistake and don't have an account, you can always click the Sign Up for Free link to get started. The form has 2 main fields. First, your email address. You'll notice that if you're logging in after accepting an invitation, your email might already be conveniently filled in for you. Second, enter your password. This is the password you created after verifying your email. If you're not sure you typed it correctly, you can click the little eye icon inside the field to show your password. Click the eye off icon to hide it again. Below the password field, you have 2 options. You can check the Remember Me box. We recommend doing this only on your personal secure computer. It will keep you logged in for a longer period. And if you can't remember your password, don't worry. Just click the Forgot Your Password link, and we'll guide you through the reset process. Once your details are in, click the Login button. The button will change to Logging In with a spinner while it securely verifies your details. Now, a few things can happen. If you made a mistake, a red error box will appear. If you entered the wrong email or password, it will tell you the email or password you entered is incorrect. If your password is too short, it will remind you that it, quote, must be at least 6 characters long. If you haven't verified your email, this is a common one. If you see the error, please confirm your email address before logging in. It means the system sees you signed up, but didn't click the verification link. Don't worry. The page will automatically redirect you to the email confirmation screen so you can easily resend the link. And on success, you'll see a login successful message. The page will then automatically redirect you to your main dashboard. Or, if you were trying to access a different page before you were logged in, it will smart redirect you right back to that page. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to manage your restaurant.